Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 2. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss for loop in C programming. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss this for loop. So the for loop in C programming is used to iterate the statements or a part of program several times, and it is used to access the data structures like the array and linked list. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of for loop. So guys, first of all we are using a for keyword here, and then we are using parenthesis, and in initialization part we are going to assign a value to a variable, and then we are using semicolon here. So remember guys, we are using semicolon, not comma here, and then we are using condition. So guys, we will create conditions with the help of relational operators, and then we are putting semicolon again, and then we are using increment or decrement. So basically here we are using pre or post increment or decrement operators, and then we are putting a single statement or multiple statements in the body of for loop. So guys, now let's discuss the working of for loop. So first of all, initialization will be done, and then it will check this condition, and if this condition is true, then this statement or these statements will be executed, and then increment or decrement will take place. After increment or decrement, this condition will be checked again, and if this condition is true, then this statement or these statements will be executed. So we can say that for loop executes statements as long as a given condition is true. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the working of this for loop. So guys, in this program we will learn how can you print a statement multiple times with the help of for loop. So I have declared an integer variable I, and after that I am using a for keyword and putting parenthesis, and this is the initialization part. So basically I am assigning 0 to this variable I, and then putting semicolon as we discussed earlier, and then we are making a condition here. So basically I want to print this statement 5 times, so that's why I have used I less than 5, and then putting another semicolon, and then I am using this I plus plus. So basically it is post increment operator, and basically it will increment the value of I by 1 on each iteration, and then I'm using this printf statement to print this hello world. So guys, now if I run this program, it is printing hello world 5 times. Now guys, if we want to print this hello world 10 times, then we need to make only one change in this for loop. So let's make that change. So we need to use 10 instead of 5, and now guys, if I run this program, it will print hello world 10 times. And now guys, if at some point of time if we want to print this hello world statement 20 times, then simply make it 20 and run this program. Now it is printing hello world 20 times. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, if we have only one statement in the body of for loop, then we do not need to put these curly braces, so there will be no effect of curly braces. So now guys, if I run this program, it is printing hello world 20 times. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now guys, we can remove initialization part from the for loop. So let's remove the initialization part, but we need to mention semicolon just before the condition. So we need to initialize I here, and now guys, if I run this program, it is printing hello world 20 times. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. And guys, we can also remove increment or decrement part from the for loop. So let's remove that part, but remember we need to put semicolon after the condition, otherwise compiler would complain. So guys, now I am using increment operator in the body of loop. So guys, now if I run this program, it will print hello world 20 times. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.